Today I'm just configure the DHCP in the packet tracer. So what I've just done, just like the two systems here and two systems here and two switches, and one switch just connect with the two PC, another switch to connect with the two other PCs, and one is a router. So what I'm going to do it now, just do the configurations of the DHCP. So I'm just going the router. And this is, I just like no, and then I just do enable and config T, and the configuration I'm just implementing in front of you. So we go in the fast 0/0. This is the interface, no shutdown, and here it shows red, and when it just type the command no shutdown, now it shows green. And then what I just do it here, I just assign the IP address here. So IP address is 192.168.0.1.25.25.25.0. This is the class C address, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255. I just like enter, and then I just go there and do write memory command, and simple is gonna. And then what I have to do is I'm just configuring the another port /1. This is this port. This is showing red. The parts are zeros. No, I just type the command no shutdown, and if the port is up before it was red, the IP address I just give 192.168.1.1.255.255.25.0. And also when I just stop out here, and then I'm going to do the configuration of the DHCP right now. The IP DHCP pole is net1, the network is, and the 192.168.0.1, 255.255.25.0. So here we have assigned this DHCP pole name is net1, and the network we have assigned this IP address here. So this is the one, and then just when I get out from here, this interface, and then IP DHCP DHCP command, and then the other is the net2 pole times pole, and I just go back and I show you here when I just type the question mark, it shows me this either is a pole or is a relay. So what we are going to do is to configure DHCP address pole. So IP DHCP pole is the net2, and the network I'm going to give it's a different one. It's a different IP address. So let's do here and write it down here. And then what we're going to do, we have configure DHCP on this router. So what I have to do it now, I just go in the system and go in the system configuration DHCP, and then I just click here, go in configure DHCP, and I just go here and configure here DHCP, and I just go back here and DHCP and here. So we are going to check it now. Either these systems we have assigned that this is a DHCP, this is a DHCP, either is assigned these IP addresses automatically or not. How we can check it now? We can check here in the system. I am in the PC, and this PC, this name showing is a PC5. And when I just say IP config, it shows me these IP address. So 192.168.0.3. And now I just come back here where we have assigned this IP address because I can show you the configuration show run, and it shows where we have assigned this interface. This is the interface. We have assigned the IP address is 192.168.0, and now the other is a 192.168.1.1. And I just go in this system and just check, and either it's supposed to be a IP config, sorry, IP config. It will show here 192.168.1.2. I'm going to show you again here, because here it shows the IP address here 1.1, and when I just go in the system, it will show 1.2. That shares is 1.2. When I go in other system and just click on here and if IP config, and it shows me that IP address. So this IP address is on the system I get from the DHCP, and DHCP where I configure on the Cisco router. So this is the main interface is now where we configure, and also this is the pole we have mentioned here. If you have any question, you can ask without any hesitation, and I'm available to answer your all queries, your all your questions. And please subscribe my channel, and so I will make most of the videos. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a lovely day. Take care.